book. I can read, I can write, I can sing in Tagalog, but the conversation sometimes is very hard because they talk so fast. And some words I don't know. There were some reactions of some people on the internet. I really hope that it's not because of the looks, because this is a talent competition and not that you has or something, and I just want to show my talent, and I just want to show my best. Abangan niyo po ako sa Pilipinas Kasama. Mahal ko po kayo.
Oy! Luluboy? Sir FMG, gabin nyo to. Ako, labas ako dyan. Hoping to make us all go gaga and crazy with her performance and combining beauty and talent together, please welcome from Talabat, Cebu City, Jacqueline Schubert.
I like to see no sleep in your eyes. I touch you and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you, happy girl. Call your name, my 3 rounds in a row. Such a funny thing, I'm here trying to explain. I'm feeling in my past, the one thing. Cause I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I'm crazy right now. I'm crazy right now. I'm crazy right now.
Thank you very much, Jacqueline. Woo! Thank you, Jacqueline Schubert. Jacqueline, you step forward a bit. Yes. So, Jacqueline, aside from your singing, you also have talent in dancing, and you even put up a dance studio with your brother. Can you tell us more about that, please?
Yes, we just opened a dance school March 8th, and we have some hip-hop classes and some modeling classes and
So, sure, among all your talent, you still stick with singing, right?
actually both. I love both.
Nabubulol ka na, Luluboy, nabubulol ka na. Bago mayari, Joseph?
Itong dalawa to hindi tumitingin dahil ito pagagalitan ni Nikki, ito pagagalitan ni Jelly. Okay.
Actually, nagbabait-baitan lang yung dalawang yan.
Ay, mabait kami this time.
Parang hindi naman.
Parang kami naman ang nag-perform. Ano masasabi nyo kay Jack?
You have a face that's meant to be a star in a teleserye. Ang ganda-ganda mo talaga. And nagkaroon ng new dimension ng performance mo nung sumayaw ka because you can dance. Salamat po.
Yes, nag-level up ka dahil actually hindi ko alam na talagang sumasayaw ka pala. At nung nakita kita ngayon sa stage, grabe. Parang nananalamin lang ako. Ang ganda-ganda mo.
Ikaw na, Miss Ay.
Oo, ang ganda-ganda. Manang-mana ka sa akin ngayong gabi.
Yun na yun.
Nag-level up ka ngayon.
Boss.
Sir, aabangan na lahat, Sir FMG.
Ayan!
Ako, wala akong masabi. I'm completely overwhelmed by the performance.
Salamat po.
Galing mo.
Hindi, yun pala, hindi ka pala